Hello everyone, do you know Mama Murphy don't like the ordinary chair and she wants the Iron Throne? Because as you guys can see, I have all kinds of chairs in this place, but Mama Murphy don't want to sit on that. So you may ask, how do we even give her the Iron Throne? So let's do this, shall we? In order to give her desired Iron Throne, you need to make it using the workshop. So I'm going to use the workshop and then we have to go to the special section. As you guys can see, we found Mama Murphy's Iron Throne. See, she don't even want to sit on anywhere else. She only wants the Iron Throne. So I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Hey,
and bye.
don't need the sight.